Hello students, today we are going to learn about unit radius concept. It is very easy. In trigonometry actually we use it. I am drawing this y-axis and x-axis. Here suppose we are taking one unit of radius and from here we are drawing the circle. Okay. This is our quadrants. So I tried to make the circle, although it is not the complete circle, but it's okay. Now see, this is our x, right? This one is y-axis, this is x-axis. So in spite of writing here, I will write here x and y-axis. This is minus of x we can write, and this one is minus of y. Now take any point here. Okay, this point, if you will make the mirror image of it on the second quadrant, this is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, this one is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. For our understanding and fast calculation, even I am writing here plus plus, here x also plus, y also plus. First we see x axis and then we see y axis. Here x is minus plus, right? Here it will be minus minus, and here it will be first plus and then minus, plus minus, right? Now see, if this one is the point, mirror image of it will be here. Here with the x-axis, if you will draw the mirror image, it will come somewhere here, and with this, if you will take mirror image here, it will come here. If you have to find, suppose sine 30, so you know the value, sine 30 means 1 by 2. But if you have to find sine 150, what you will do? That we are going to understand in this concept. Okay, by understanding this, it will be very easy for you to find sine 150, sine 270 like that. Now try to understand first. If I will draw one triangle from here, students, okay, from here if you will draw one perpendicular on the x-axis, it will look like this. It is 90 degree, and this is suppose theta. Okay, this is perpendicular, or we can say it is y-axis also, y-intercept, right? Up to here it is y, and this is up to here I am taking as x. Okay, so this is x, this is y, and we know hypotenuse is 1, right? Now tell me what will be the coordinate of it. First we see x, so it is x, and this one is y. Till here it's clear. Same thing if I will draw one triangle here. Okay, from the origin I will take this hypotenuse, draw the perpendicular on the x-axis. So what will come here? Minus x, because mirror image we have taken, so this one will be minus x and it will be y positive. So we can write here minus x and y, right? Same thing if I will do here also. If I will draw one hypotenuse and then perpendicular, same thing will come here, students. This one is negative of y and here negative of x, so here we will get minus x minus y. Okay, now here if I will take hypotenuse then perpendicular from here, then what I will get here? X value x and y value will be minus y, correct? Y coordinate, y point will be minus y. Now we know that sine theta, if you will take sine theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is y by 1. So sine theta value we can write y. Okay, y can be written as sine theta. For cos theta what will come, students? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, base is x, x by hypotenuse means 1, so cos theta can be written as x. So now in place of x and y, can we replace it with cos theta and sin theta? So here we can write cos theta and sin theta, correct? Here we can write minus x is there, no? So we can write minus cos theta and sin theta. Okay, here both will be minus, minus cos theta minus sin theta, correct? And here in the next one, cos theta and minus sin theta, correct? Now see, if I will ask you sine 30 here, sine 30 means perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sine 30 value half, these things suppose you know. If I will ask you sine 150, so 150 will go up to here, correct? This is 150. Okay, so 30 degree will be the reference angle. This is actual angle, this is reference angle, but we don't have to see these angles and all. We have to see this point from the origin. If you draw the hypotenuse on the circle circumference where it is touching, this point whether you take from this side or this side, both will be same, correct? That's why we have to find this. So here what we are doing, for our simplicity, for our convenience, actually we are taking this as the reference angle. Okay, from here we are drawing the reference angle, so 30 degree it will become, right? So from sine 30, from here if you will see, sine 30 means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is in positive, right? So sine theta will be positive. That means sine 30 and sine 150 value will be same. This will also be 1 by 2. Understood? Now try to see here. This one, in 180 you add 30, that means sine 210 we are going to find now. Sine 210. So 180 up to here it is 180, then 30 degree will be added here. So it will become 210. So for 210 you see perpendicular from here, and this is hypotenuse. Perpendicular is negative, hypotenuse, sorry, this is perpendicular and hypotenuse is 1. So perpendicular is negative, hypotenuse is positive, so minus sine theta will come. That means for sine 210 answer will be minus 1 by 2 students, because here also we have 30 degrees, sine 30 is 1 by 2, but here it will come in minus. Okay, now let's check here. If you have to find sine 330, what will be the answer? Sine 330 means from here you are seeing, and here we know sine theta will be again in negative, because perpendicular is negative here, right? Hypotenuse is positive, perpendicular is negative, base is positive. So sine 330 will be also minus 1 by 2. Now it is very easy for you people also to understand this. Even now tan theta concept is also easy. Here tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, both will be positive, right? Sin cos positive, so tan theta will also be positive. Here tan theta is equal to sin by cos, cos is negative, so tan theta will also be negative. Here both are negative, so tan theta will be positive. Here what you have to do, tan theta is equal to minus sin theta by minus cos theta, minus minus cancel, so it will be positive. Here you see sin theta, one is negative, one is positive, so tan theta will also come in negative. Hope this all things are clear. If it is clear to you students, so then find the value of cos 150 degree, cos 210 degree and cos 330 degree. Try to solve these three questions and let me know in the comment section what will be the answer of this, if you have understood this concept. If you have any doubt in this, let me know in the comment section as well. Okay, hope you are enjoying students. It is taking hell lots of time and energy to make these videos. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask me anything, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you students. Bye.